Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn our social studies lesson 19, our constitution part 2. Earlier in the previous chapter we learned constitution part 1. In this chapter we discussed about our fundamental rights and fundamental duties. Now in the second part we are going to discuss about our government. There are two levels of government. First one is central government and second one is state governments. So what is central government? Central government look after the whole country. Central government look after the whole country and state government look after the particular state. Clear? State government look after the particular state and central or union government look after the whole country. Clear? Now, the union government has three main functions or does three main things. First of all, make laws by the legislators. What are the legislators? Legislators means a group of members who have right to make or change the law. This is the first function of the central government or union government, that make law by the legislatures or legislators. The second one is implementation of those laws by the executives. Executives means those who are going to work or follow those laws. First one, make laws by the legislators. And second one, implementation of those laws by the executives. And next one is provide justice by judiciary. Provide justice by judiciary. These are the main three functions done by the union or the central government. Clear? First of all, just revise. Make laws by the legislature. Legislature, I earlier told you, a group of members that have right to change or make law. This is the group of people. Second one, the implementation of the laws by the executives. Executive means those who are going to work or follow that rules. And third one, provide justice by the judiciary. These are the three main functions done by the central government. The legislature consists three parts: Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the President of India. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President of India. So what is Lok Sabha? Lok Sabha is the government. We elect the member for the Lok Sabha by casting our vote. There are 545 members are in Lok Sabha. We elect them by cast our vote. Those who are above 18 years, they can cast their vote to elect the member of Lok Sabha. What is Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha, there are 250 members are there in the Rajya Sabha. But the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by the State Legislative Assembly. The member of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the State Legislative Assembly. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. ठीक है, Lok Sabha, the member of Lok Sabha, we elect them. The people of the country, those who are above 18 years, they elect the members for the Lok Sabha. And for the Rajya Sabha, there are 250 members, and members of the State Legislative Assembly select or elect them by themselves. We are not, the people of the country are not going to elect the member of Rajya Sabha. They are elected by the Legislative Assembly. Clear? Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the third is President of India. President of India is elected by the members of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the State Legislative Assembly. All three are elect the President of India. And the President of India is the head of the whole country. President of India is the head of whole country. He is known as the first citizen of India. देश का प्रथम नागरिक हमारा राष्ट्रपति. President is the first person of the country or nation. Currently, Mr. Ramnath Kovind is the President of India. Clear? Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, and the President of India. These are the part of union or state, central government. These are the part of union or state government. Now Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and the President of India are the part of union government or the central government. Okay. Now the state government. State government is take care of the particular state. Each state has its own government. In India, there are 28 states. In India, there are 28 states and 9 union territories. Earlier, it was 29 states and 7 union territories. But recently, few months ago, Jammu and Kashmir, earlier it was a state, but now it's a union territory, and Ladakh also become a union territory. Earlier, Ladakh was a part of Jammu and Kashmir only. But now, it is a separate union territory, and Jammu and Kashmir also become a union territory. So, it become 28 states and 9 union territories. So, all 28 states has their own government, and this is the duty of the state government to look after the particular state. Look after the particular state. And as the president is the head of the whole country, same as governor is the head of the whole state. Governor is the head of the whole state. Currently, Mrs. Anandiben Patel is the governor of UP. She is the governor of UP currently, means 2020. And CM, who is the CM? CM Mr. Yogi Adityanath is the CM of our state. We belongs from the Uttar Pradesh. It is the capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. So, there are 3 parts in state government also. CM, governor, and the council of minister to look after the whole state. So, this was your chapter, our constitution part 2. Just revise. First of all, India has 2 governments, central and state government. Central government is for all over the country. President is the head of the country. Okay. Central government is for whole country, and the president of India is the head of the country. And state governments, all states has its own government. State government look after the particular state. State government look after the particular state. The central government has 3 duties to, first of all, make laws by the legislature, implementation of the laws by the executives, and provide justice by the judiciary. This is the main function of the central government. And central government consists three parts: Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and President of India. Lok Sabha is elected by the people of the country, and Rajya Sabha, member of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the state legislative assemblies. And the President of India is elected by the member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and the state legislative assembly. The members of the state legislative assembly. The three select the or elect the President of India. Now the state government also has the three parts, that is governor, chief minister, that we call in short CM, and the member of ministers, council of the ministers. CM is the second person, but governor of the state is the first person of the state. Same as just president is the head of the whole country, but governor is the head of the particular state. So this is all about our chapter. Read your book properly and complete your work. Thank you.